Kids go to Missy. I'm making my Barbara's Banana Muffins. First, 2 bananas. 1 cup of Miracle Whip. 2 cups of flour. Sugar, baking soda, and cinnamon. So first, we put the bananas in. Now time to squish the bananas. Next, put some Miracle Whip in. Put the Miracle Whip in. And also, you have to be careful with the oven. You have to use a grown-up to help you. Okay, next, flour. Now time to mix it up. Sugar next, actually. Forgot about sugar. Mom, can you help me?
I can.
And also, if you need help with something, you ask a parent to help you. 3 cups. 1. 3 cups of sugar. 1, 2, 3. 3/4 of sugar. Now, baking. It's hard. 2 small spoons of baking soda. 1. 1. 2. Now, cinnamon. Now time to mix it up. Hi, we got the muffin tins in. We got stuff mixed up, and the secret ingredient is chocolate. So we put them in. So it's in. Yep. And now it's time to add the chocolate. Got chocolate in. Time to put them in the oven.